Welcome to Clean and Decorate with me. This is hosted first Monday of every month by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my entryway and giving it a refresh. Now I've cleared everything off the table except for the lamp, and I'm going to be using this cleaner and cleaning the floors, the table. And I love using this orange glow on my wood furniture. It gives it such a nice shiny sheen on it. And I'm going to be cleaning the underneath the table as well. And there's a little lantern light under there. So I give it a good wipe down as well. So there we go. The entry table is nice and clean. Next, I'm going to be sweeping the floor, then mopping, and I'm going to speed this part up. Okay, now I'm using one of those Swifter mops to mop the floor. The floor is nice and clean. Now I'm placing a couple of rugs, one in front of the door and a runner in front of the table. Now here is my first spring floral arrangement in a pretty white vase. And I'm going to add another wispy, grassy arrangement, again in another white vase. Next I have these two rustic candle holders. Then I'll be adding this magnolia print, but I'm going to hang it vertically this time. Next I'm going to be adding these white distressed window arches to each side of the magnolia print. Okay, there we go. I think that looks nice. Now I'm going to be adding these adorable distressed bunnies. I like the fact that they're kind of a brownish tint with a little raffia around their neck. So I did remove the candles, and I'm going to be putting the bunnies on top of the distressed white candle holders. And then for underneath the table, I have another little bunny holding a carrot. And I'll add that one to one side of the lantern lamp. And I have another rabbit. Again, it's a metal rabbit with a burlap bow around its neck. Then for around the lantern, I'm going to add this wreath. So there we go. I think that looks nice with the two bunnies on each side. So here is the table finished, and I have a couple of candle sconces on the wall with a white candle and my gold framed mirror in between. It's a little touch of spring, but without going overboard. And then on this side I have my arched windows with the magnolia print in the center. So hopefully this gave you some ideas on how you can add just a little touch of spring when it's still February without going overboard, just to give your entryway a little bit of a refresh. And I also will be adding some walking canes. Here is one with a parrot on it that has my name engraved, Sandy, and my husband's name, Dan, on it. That we got at the Bahamas when we took a cruise, and I have some umbrellas in it as well. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Now, if you would like to participate in these collaborations, just let Anna from the Grace Life DIY know that you would like to participate, and She would be happy to add you. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next one.